I've now understood that that the mind itself is the Buddha that I have never parted from. And so, whether we call ourselves Buddhist or non-Buddhist, anyone has a mind. And once one has a mind, one has the cause of enlightenment. As the Buddha himself had resolved, within all sentient beings is the Buddha. It is just they do not recognize that. They do not know how to take such a statement. This also was always said by Vajradhara Druvang Rinpoche. He always said that within all beings is the Buddhas are only obscured by temporary stains. And these stains is the grasping to a self, the dualistic grasping to self and others, due to which we give rise to thoughts of attachment and aversion and biased thoughts. And these biased thoughts appear anywhere. It happens amongst Dharma practitioners, worldly beings, and it is just these biased thoughts of attachment and aversion that create samsara. And so what actually is our protection, that which protects beings, is the cultivation of wisdom and compassion. And that goes beyond being a Buddhist. Even there is some beings in other systems, other people who are not Buddhists, and in a past lifetime they may have accumulated merit and cultivated wisdom and compassion, and so in this lifetime, again, they possess these qualities. That is the actual protection. It is the mind of wisdom and compassion.